Hello, welcome back. Today we'll be opening up two $60 Marvel 6-pack Mystery Grail boxes. So let's see what we got. These are the pops that you could have gotten from the Marvel 6-pack drop from Mystery Grail from November 22nd. So I've been holding on to these boxes for about 2 weeks now, so been waiting to open them, so now I'm getting the chance. So here we go. Sprite. Let's see. Sprite from the Eternals. Okay, it's my first Eternals that I've received. So, okay, I like that one. Oh, Doctor Strange from the Multiverse of Madness. Okay. I have the Doctor Strange from his first movie, so now I have the one from his second. Alright, let's see what else we got. Layla Elfiola from Moon Knight. Uh-oh. The pop has moved something here. Let's see if I can fix it so you can get a better look. There we go. Okay. Next one. Groot with cheese puffs. Oh, this is really cute. I like this. Groot with cheese puff. I am Groot. Alrighty. Oh, Hot Topic exclusive Spider-Man Marvel 80 years. Okay. I have a few Spider-Mans, but I don't have this one, and I really like it. Look at that. Alright. Let's see what the last one in this box is. The Marvel Hawkeye PX Previews exclusive. That was my first time receiving Hawkeye also, so I like this one. This is cool. Alrighty. Now we can go on to the next box. Let's see what we get here. Whoops. All right, here we go. The Spot from Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse. The Spot. This is cool. I like this. Oh, that was a pretty good movie. I enjoyed it. Cosmo. Alrighty. Guardians of the Galaxy. Cosmo. Look at it. Alright. Yes. So far, I'm enjoying what I'm getting here from these Marvel pops. Arthur Harrow from Moon Knight. Okay. Let's see who else. Zombie Mysterio. Oh, a Walmart glow-in-the-dark Zombie Mysterio. Okay. I really love the glow-in-the-dark pops. I do have a few glow-in-the-dark, but never gotten the Mysterio. Uh-oh, another Groot. This one. This is Guardians of the Galaxy Holiday Special Groot. I guess with a little Christmas present. Alrighty. And the last one. Spider-Man. Hot Topic exclusive Marvel 80 Year Spider-Man. Same one I just got in the other box. Well, I guess one will be going to eBay. Alright. So, let's see how we did with these trending values. Okay, so now we have the PPG values. Hawkeye is going for $10. Groot for $15. Spider-Man Hot Topic going for $15. Remember, I have two, so the Spot is $6. Cosmo, $14. Zombie Mysterio is $9. We got Arthur Harrow is going for $5. Doctor Strange, $13. Oh, let's see. At Hawkeye, Groot with cheese puffs, $7. Layla from Moonlight, $16. And Sprite, $18. So, just let me know down below what you thought about this. But it came out to $158. I spent $120 on this, so I made $38. But let me know down below what you thought about these Funkos, and make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and see you next time. Bye now.